In this video, we're going to look at using round robins for sales teams. Anytime there's more than one user working opportunities, creating a round robin can assist in the automated assignment of new opportunities. So in this video, we need an example. So in this example, we're going to build a round robin for 2 sales reps that automatically assigns new opportunities one at a time after someone submitted a web form on the website, a contact us form. So specifically, we're going to look at creating a round robin, distributing new opportunities using that round robin, and then some other settings. So at this point, we're kind of assuming 2 things. We're assuming you've got a contact us form on the website already, and we're assuming that you have 2 sales reps that are trained up and their dashboards are set up and they're good to go. So we're going to start by going to the CRM settings. Over here on the left, we have round robins. And then here we're going to add a round robin. Give the round robin a name and select the run record per round logic, and then click the green save button. Now, next to the 2 sales reps who were part of this round robin, we're going to go ahead and put a 1 next to them, and then hit the green save button again. So what we've just done is we've set up a round robin that's going to distribute a new lead to this sales rep, and then a new lead to this sales rep, and then repeat. So now that we've got that round robin set up, we're going to go into the campaign that has this contact us form. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to look at the actual opportunity piece of it, but let's pretend it looks something like this. You have a contact us form, and when somebody fills it out, they get tagged accordingly, and then there's an email that says, hey, we'll talk to you soon. We're going to go ahead and drag out an opportunity step, or there may have already been an opportunity that existed already. The magic here is in the opportunity itself. Where it says assigned user, instead of hard coding it to a particular person, we can leave it on use round robin, and we can now select the one that we've just configured. All we have to do from here is complete filling out the opportunity and publish the campaign. There you go. From here, we'd want to go ahead and make sure everything is marked as ready and publish the campaign. So now, when somebody fills out the contact us form on the website, Infusionsoft will create a new opportunity and assign it to the first user in that sales rep's round robin. The next time somebody fills out the form, it'll go to the next person in line, and so on until the round robin has completed. In this example, we only have 2 people. Now, there's one thing to keep in mind, and you need to be careful about automatically assigning opportunity owners when using a round robin. In order for the user to actually view the record, they have to be in the user group that is configured inside the opportunity defaults. Down here in the viewing opportunities section, you can see that this is the group of users that can actually see opportunities. So if you were to assign an opportunity to somebody that isn't part of that group, they won't be able to see it. So just something to be aware. There's a second way to set up round robin logic that is based on ratio. And this allows for a weighted assignment, giving more new opportunities to users than others. So for example, if Stephen has been my first sales rep and been with me a long time and knows what he's doing, and Paul Benson's the new guy, we might set up a sales round robin that looks like this. So Steve gets 3 new leads, and then Paul gets 1. And then as Paul's skill gets better, he'll be able to even out the round robin. Now, to streamline the sales process, opportunities can be created with certain products and or subscriptions pre-populated as a possible sale. These interest bundles are found in the sales settings here. So for example, if we have the cookbook videos and consultation bundle, which right now isn't selling anything, let's say we want to sell the cookbook and the tutorials together, and that's a very common thing that happens. When I'm configuring the opportunity itself, I can actually select this interest bundle. So now the opportunity is created. Not only is it going to tell the sales rep what they need to do and distribute it according to the round robin, it's going to populate the products and subscriptions tab so that way it automatically lays the groundwork for data forecasting, revenue forecasting. Now there's an option beneath the interest bundle says only creative contact doesn't have an active opportunity. Now, an opportunity is considered active if it exists in one of the stages that are defined in the opportunity defaults. So these are all the active sales stages in the pipeline. If an opportunity exists that's in those stages already, this setting will prevent that from occurring. Now, an opportunity record is going to display on the user's calendar, so we can use the next action date to empower future sales automatically because leads will magically appear in a sales rep's pipeline. So for example, we could actually say, give us a next action date of 60 days and say something like they purchased the cookbook 2 months ago. Here, we'll get rid of this interest bundle just to not make this part confusing. Check to see if they need help implementing. Now obviously this example is no longer part of this contact us follow-up here because we're just talking about the next action notes. This is the last part of what we're going to talk about in the video today. So we can actually create an opportunity and say, hey, next action date isn't until 2 months from now. And then we give the sales rep context on what they're doing here. We could have also achieved the same effect by using a delay timer. So keeping the next action date at 0, but then popping a delay here with 60 days. So now it achieves the same effect. The main difference is having the opportunity hit their pipeline immediately or having their opportunity actually hit the pipeline at 60 days. The difference is when do you want to generate the opportunity itself. In the next video, we're going to look at setting up lead scoring.